So welcome you all for the wonderful video lecture session. So I'm I Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Here we are going to see the video lecture on circular doubly linked list in data structure. Okay, these are the topics in circular doubly linked list. So what is circular doubly linked list? What are the operation behind in circular doubly linked list that we call as a creating a node, inserting a node, deleting a node, and travel cells that we call displaying all the element present in the circular doubly linked list that we call as travel cells, searching an element, and then finally advantages, disadvantages, and example program and how to execute a program using C. Okay, so before going to the circular doubly linked list, we have to know about what is singly linked list, what is doubly linked list, and then circular doubly linked list. In singly linked list, we are having two nodes. One is called as a data, second field is called as next field. Alright, same thing for a doubly linked list. We are having three fields. One is called as a previous node, second field is called as a data field, and third field is called as next field. Okay, in the circular singly linked list, same thing for the two fields in similar to a singly linked list. One is data field, second called as a next field. But at the end of the each node in a circular, that is called as a singly linked list, same thing for doubly linked list, we consider as a null pointer. Okay, in circular singly linked list, the last node is connected to the first node. There is no null pointer present in the circular singly linked list. Similar to the same concepts for the doubly linked list, they are having three fields. One is called as a previous field, second data field, third one called as next field. Okay, in the first node of the doubly linked list, we consider as a null that we are having a previous node. Same thing for the last node, next field, we consider denoted as or indicated as null. Okay, that we call as a doubly linked list. They have a two pointer, one is called previous node pointer and the next node pointers. But in circular doubly linked list, we avoid null pointers. Okay, so this is the definition. Circular doubly linked list is a more complex type of data structure in which a node contains pointer to its previous node as well as next node. Okay, and the second one, circular doubly linked list does not contain null in any of the node. Alright, here they are having a n number of nodes present in the circular singly linked list or circular doubly linked list. Okay, they are having a two pointer, one is called as a previous node pointer and next node pointer. Intermediate we are having a data fields. Okay, the first field we are having a previous node and the last field we are having a next node. Okay, the next node pointing to the first node address. First node address called as an initial node address, that is called head pointer, and then the first node, previous node pointing to the last node address. Okay, if pointing means we can avoid the null pointer, that we call as circular doubly linked list does not contain null in any of the node. Okay, in circular doubly linked list more complex than any of the linked list that we call it singly linked list, doubly linked list, and then circular singly linked list. Okay, and then the same definition, the last node of the list contains the address of the first node of the list. Okay, the first node of the list also contains the address of the last node in its previous pointer. Okay, take this example. Alright, they are having three fields. One is called as a previous field, this we call as a data field, and this is called as a next field. Okay, because this is called doubly linked list. One is called as a previous pointer and the next pointer. Okay, next pointer pointing to the next node address. Okay, similar thing, they are going to connecting each others that we call adjacent nodes. Alright, the previous node pointing to the previous node address. Alright, here this we call as a node 3. Node 3 previous field pointing to the next node. Next node is called as a previous node address. Same thing for the second node pointing to the first node address. Like this goes on for the circular doubly linked list. Alright, here they are having a last node. Okay, the last node connecting to the first node address, the first node previous pointer pointing to the last node address. Alright, so this we call as a circular doubly linked because they are having a two pointers. One is called next node pointer and then previous node pointers. Okay, this is another example. Alright, the starting address is 100. They are having three nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3. Each node having an address 100, 200, 300. They are having three fields. One is called as previous field, the data field, and the next field. Okay, the next field pointing to the next node address. What is next node at 200? Same thing for the here, the next field pointing to the adjacent node address. Adjacent node address called next node at 300. Like this goes on. Alright, here the previous node. Okay, this third node pointing to the second node address. Second node address called as in here 200. Here the second node pointing to the first node address. What is first node at 100? Alright, like this we seen in doubly linked list. Okay, the last field and the first field, this last field and the first field considered as a null in doubly linked list. To overcome the doubly linked list in circular linked list, we having a the first node previous pointer pointing to the last node address. What is last node at 300? Alright, same thing for the last node next field pointing to the first node address. What is first node address? 100. Okay, this we call as in circular doubly linked list. Okay, so next is an operations on circular doubly linked list. Similar to the singly linked list, doubly linked list, and circular singly linked list, the similar operation we have to follow. The basic operation in circular doubly linked list are: one is creating a node, inserting a node, deletion, travel cells, searching, sorting. Okay, like this goes on. Okay. First one is creating a node for circular doubly linked list. Okay, how can able to create a new node for circular doubly linked list? Already we have to know about a new node. Okay, what is new node is called as an initially we having a three field. One is called as a previous field, and then data is called as an our information. It may be integer, character, anything else, and then third field is called as a next field. Okay, this we call as in creating a new node. Alright, this is an example. Already saw that. Okay, we are going to create a structure for the node. Alright, struct is a keyword, node is a tag name. Inside that we are having a three parameters. Okay, or three fields. One is called as a data field. Alright, next one is called a previous field, and the next field. Okay, this we call as a struct is a keyword, node is a tag name, and then this we call as a pointer variable. Okay, that we call as self-referential structures. They are going to refer to the same structure name that we call as a node. After that, we have to close ending with a semicolon. We have to create a head pointer equal to null using struct keyword node tag pointers. Right, and then node creation. First one, define a node class which represent node in the list. Node is called as a tag name, that is user defined variable. We are having two properties. One is a data, and the next, which will point to the next node address. Alright, so this is the steps we have to follow. So define a node class which represent node in the list. What is node is called as a tag name. Okay, here we are represented as a node. Node is called tag name. It has three properties. One is called previous field, data field, and next field, which will point to the previous node address and the next node address. Alright, define another class for creating the circular linked list. It has two nodes. One is called a head pointer and tail pointer. Okay, like that we are going to define head pointer and the tail pointer. Okay, this is an algorithm or a steps to create a new node, that we call inserting a new node. Alright, so add is a function, will add the node to the list. First we check whether the head is null, then we will insert the node as the head. What the meaning says, we have to check whether head pointer equal null means node is empty. We can able to create a new node into the list. Okay, the head pointer and tail will point to the newly added node. Okay, the head pointer pointing to the first node in the list. We are going to create a temporary pointer is called tail pointer pointing to the same node. Okay, if the head is not null, the new node will be the new tail, and the new tail will pointing to the head as a circular linked list. What the meaning says, if you are having a n number of nodes present in the circular doubly linked list means we can able to add a new node at end of the list. Okay, like this goes on. We are going to see the pictorial representation how to insert a new node in the list. Alright, this is an example. This we call as algorithm or a program. Okay, here we are going to represent a C program for that. So printf, enter the value to insert. Alright, scanf %d ampersand value is called as user defined variable. Here I'm going to represent the value as 10, value equal 10. Here value as 10. Alright, so insert value. So insert value is 10. Okay, this we are going to call the function. Okay, when you're going to call this function, it automatically come back to this exact function definition. Okay, that is void is a return type, insert is a function name. Okay, we are going to define a user defined variable called as an x. Okay, the value is 10, it automatically propagated to x as 10. Alright, have you understand this? And then struct is a keyword, node is a tag name, and then we are going to create a two temporary variables. Okay, in the program we are having a tail and then head like this. We are going to create a new temporary variable. One is called as a new temp, that is new node, and then temp, that is two pointer variables. Okay, and then after that we are going to allocate a memory for new node. This we call as a new node. We are going to allocate a memory using a function called as a malloc. Okay, size of struct node. What is the size of struct node is called as an if int occupies 4 bytes. Okay, for 32-bit machine, and the struct node star next and then star previous. Here also they are going to represent 4. Here also they are going to represent 4. Okay, the overall size of struct node is 12 bytes. Okay, here size is 12. Okay, they are going to allocate the 12 bytes for the each and every nodes. Okay, this is called as struct node star. Okay, is called as a type casting operation. Okay, we are going to convert into a type casting for adding a new node each other. Okay, that we using a struct node star. Okay, after that each and every information should be stored in a variable, that is pointer variable new node. Okay, have understand? And after that new node is called as the pointer variable. Okay, they are going to refer the variable called as a data equal to x. What is the value of x? X is 10. Okay, that is this we call as new node data is called as 10. Okay, have understand? After that we are going to check the condition. Okay, what the condition is? If head equal to null. Okay, if head equal to null means, okay, this we call as a list is empty, we can able to create a new node in the circular doubly linked list. Okay, we have to follow a certain condition. What the condition is? We have to change head equal to new node. What is new node address? So new node address is 1000. Okay, automatically. Okay, here head equal new node means what is new node value? New node value is 1000. Okay, automatically should be changed into 1000. Could you able to understand? If it changes means we have to make a link from head pointer pointing to the first node in the list. Okay, could you understand? First node in the list. Alright, after that new node next equal to head, because this is the only one node we are going to insert into the circular doubly linked list. On that case, head pointer pointing to the previous field pointing to the next field. Okay, and then new node next. What is new node next? New node next is this is new node next should be changed into equal to head. Head is 1000. Alright, should be changed in 1000 means alright, should be changed in 1000 means we have to make a link from new node next equal to 1000. 1000 means it pointing to this node. Okay, that we call self looping node, anything else. And the new node previous equal to head. What is new node previous? This we call as a new node previous. Also we are having 1000. Okay, in that case also, okay, it automatically pointing to the first node in the list. Are you able to understand? And then we are getting an output called as a printf node inserted successfully. Okay, this is the only one node we are inserted into the circular doubly linking, because head pointer equal null means there is no element present in the linked list. Then we can able to create a new node and inserted a new node into the list properly. This is the first scenario. Alright, the second scenario is, if you have n number of elements or one element present in the circular linked list, we are going to add the second node in the list. In that case, we have to follow the else part. Okay, in the else part, temp equal to head. Okay, already we defined a temporary variable, temp equal head. What is head value? Head value pointing to the first node in the list. What is the first node? 1000. Okay, this is the first node. We are going to insert another element. Okay, another element is, that is, we are going to insert this 20 into the circular linked list. Alright, in that case, we are going to identify which is the last element. Okay, if we identify which last element means, we can easily insert a new node, because the last node pointing to the first node in the list. Okay, the first node pointing to the last node in the list. Okay, that we have to make certain adjustment in the pointers. Alright, and then temp equal head. What is temp? Head is 1000. Automatically temp equal to 1000. Okay, in that case, temp is pointing to the first node in the list. Okay, pointing to the first node in the list. Could you able to understand? That is temp equal head. Okay, this temporary pointer we are going to identify which is the last element. Okay, how can you able to identify the last element is, this is the main scenario. So while temp of next, what is temp of next? Temp is 1000. 1000 of next is 1000. Okay, because 1000 not equal to 1000, that is called head. Okay, we are going to check this condition, because here also 1000 means, head pointer also 1000 means this is the last node. Okay, then we can easily identify this is the last element, then we can easily insert a new element or new node into the circular doubly linked list. Okay, while temp of next is 1000 not equal to head, head is also 1000. Okay, condition true or false? This condition is fail. Okay, because 1000 not equal to 1000 means condition fails. Condition fail never executed. Okay, temporary pointer pointing to the this node. This node means only one element present in the circular doubly linked list we are identified. Alright, and then temp equal to the temp of next equal new node. What is temp of next? Temp of next is, this is temp of next. We are going to insert a new node into the list. This we call as a new node. Okay, this we call as a new node. So new node address is 2000. Okay, the first node address is 1000. In that case, we are going to make a link from, okay, next node to the new node, and then previous node, that we call as a new node previous field to the first node address. Like this we have to change, and the last node pointing to the first node address, the first node pointing to the last node address. Like this we have to change it. Okay, like that changes means we have to follow this scenario. Temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp of next is this temp of next equal to new node. What is the new node? New node is 2000. Okay, temp of next, because we are going to make a link from the new node to the this node means, alright, we have to change this node. How can able to change this node? Okay, we have to change here. Alright, have understand, temp of next equal to new node. Temp is 1000, 1000 of next is 2000. We have to create a link, because in doubly linked list we have a 2 pointer, one is next field and then previous field, and then new node previous. What is new node previous? This is called as new node previous. Okay, pointing to this field. Okay, pointing to this field means, what is this address? This address is 1000. Alright, the address should be changed into equal to temp. What is temp address? Temp address is 1000. Okay, could able understand here? new node of previous, new node is 2000, 2000 of previous is before its null should be changed into equal to temp, temp is 1000. Okay, if it changes means we have to make a link from this node to that node. Okay, we have created a link. Alright, we have created a link. So after that, the first node pointing to the last node address, the last node pointing to the first node address. How can I able to change it? That is head of previous. What is head? Head is 1000. 1000 of previous is, this is 1000. 1000 equal to a new node. This should be changed into new node. What is new node? Is 2000. Okay, here it should be changed into, it should be changed into 2000. Okay, that we call a head of previous. Head of previous is this head of previous equal to new node. If it changes means automatically this link is terminated. This link is terminated and then connected to the second node in the list. That is last node in the list. You have to understand that is 2000 pointing to the last node address. After that, this element should be changed because this is the last node. This last node pointing to the first node address. How can I able to change it? Okay, we are going to identify which is this new node next. What is new node next? That is null. Should be changed into head pointer. What is head pointer? 1000. Alright, should be changed into here 1000. Okay, 1000 means the link is generated from here, from this node to the first node address. Alright, I understand. After that, printf node inserted successfully. Alright, this is the way we are going to insert a new element into the circular doubly linked list. Okay, if you are going to try to insert another new element means we have to follow the different scenarios. Okay, they are similar scenarios. Alright, and then check whether the list is empty or not. If the list is not empty means if there is some element is present in the circular doubly linked list. In that case, we have to follow the else part. Okay, in this else part, and the temp equal head. What is temp? Temp pointing to the first node in the list. That's first node 1000. After that, we have to check the condition. Okay, what the condition is? This we call as a new node. Here this we call as a new node because this is a new node we are going to insert into the circular doubly linked list. In that case, we have to check the condition. What the condition is? Temp equal head is temp is 1000. Okay, because head also 1000. Okay, temp pointing to first node in the list. My aim is which is the last element in the circular doubly linked list. We are going to find out that. Okay, using while loop, temp of next not equal to head. What is temp? Temp is 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, here this is 2000. Alright, if 2000 means temp of next is 2000, temp is 1000, 1000 of next is 2000, 2000 not equal head, head is 1000. Okay, condition true or false? Condition true. Alright, condition true means here satisfy the condition, condition true, enter inside the while loop. Temp equal temp of next. Okay, temp of next is, what is temp? Temp is 1000, 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, is 2000. Here temp of next is here 2000. Okay, to be able to understand, 2000 means automatically temp variable should be changed. Alright, temp variable changes, this link is terminated here, and then connection is created from temporary pointer pointing to the second node in the list. Okay, because temp equal 2000. After that, while check the condition again, while temp of next not equal to head. What is temp? Temp is 2000. 2000 of next is okay 1000. Okay, in that case we have to check the condition. Alright, because this is temp of next 2000 of next is 1000 not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Here condition fails. Here condition fails. If condition fails means it never executed. We are identify this is the last node because temporary pointer pointing to the okay temp of next is 1000 also not equal to 1000 head pointer. The condition does not satisfies. Okay, it never execute this while loop. We are identify the this is the last element. We are going to create a link from the second node to the newly created node. Newly created node is 3000. Okay, 30 is my data. Initially we having previous field and the next field indicates null. Okay, and after that temp of next. What is temp? Temp of next is this temp of next 2000. Sorry, 1000 equal to we are going to create a link. Okay, here we are going to create a link from okay this node to this node. Okay, how can I able to create a link? Okay, this node pointing to the third node address, that is 3000. Okay, 3000 means temporary pointer, that is temp of next equal to new node. Temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp of next is okay, this is automatically changed into 3000. Alright, understand? Temp of next equal to 3000. If it changes means here changes, a link is created. Understand? After that, here we are going to create a link from previous node to the second node address. Okay, what is second node address? 2000. Okay, how can I able to identify this node? That is we call as a new node previous. Now understand, new node previous equal to what is temp? Temp is 2000. Okay, here automatically generated here, and then here we have to represent 2000. Alright, understand? Then we have to create a link from this node to that node. Alright, after that we have to create the next node to the new node address and the new node previous field to the previous node address. We successfully created doubly linked list, and then we are going to create the circular format. Okay, how can I able to create a circular format? Okay, this node pointing to the first node address and the previous field pointing to the last node address. Okay, how can I able to identify this? Head pointer previous equal to new node. What is head pointer? Head pointer is 1000 of previous is this is 1000 of previous. We have to change it into a new node. So what is new node? New node is nothing but 3000. Okay, it should be changed into 3000. If 3000 means this link is automatically terminated. Okay, and then it is directly connected with the last node in the list. Alright, Understand? And then the last node should be connected to the first node element. Okay, this we call as a new node next. Okay, this we call as a new node next equal to head. What is head? Head is 1000. Okay, should be changed as 3000. New node next. What is new node? New node next is should be changed into head pointer. Head pointer also we call as an 1000. Okay, here 1000 means the link is terminated. Alright, now create a link from this node to that node successfully. Okay, this is the way we are going to insert the third node in the list. Okay, if you are going to insert the fourth node, we have to follow the same scenario like that. Alright, here we are going to check the condition. Okay, the temporary pointer pointing to the first node in the list. Okay, what is the first node? First node is nothing but this is the first node. Alright, because temp equal head, and then we have to check the condition which is the last element in the list. This is the last element we are going to identify, then only we have to insert a new node into the list. Okay, this is a new node, we are going to insert a new node into the list. Okay, else temp equal to head. Head is 1000. Okay, temp also 1000. 1000 pointing to the first node in the list. And check the condition. While temp of next not equal head. What is temp of next? Temp is here 2000. Alright. The temp of next is 2000 not equal to head. Condition true or false, that we call as in condition true. Okay, condition true means enter inside the loop. So temp equal temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp of next is 2000. Here automatically changed into temp should be changed into 2000. Alright, here 2000. 2000 means a link is created from temporary pointer pointing to the second node in the list. Understand? And then later again they are going to check the condition. Temp of next not equal to head. What is temp of next? Temp of next is 3000. Here temp of next is 3000 not equal to head. Okay, condition true or false? Condition again true, answer inside the while loop. Okay, temp of next. Temp equal temp of next. Okay, what is temp of next? Temp of next is temp is 2000. 2000 of next is 3000. Okay, should be changed into 3000 here. Okay, if changes means temp also changes here. Alright, the link is terminated from temp node to the second node. Alright, and then this link is connected to the third node in the list. Could you able to understand? Because temp equal to 3000. Alright, and again you have to check the condition. While temp of next not equal to, what is temp? Temp is 3000. 3000 of next is, okay, this is 3000 of next. 3000 of next is 1000. Okay. Three thousand of next is here should be changed into 1000. 1000 not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Here condition fails. So condition fails means this never executed. Alright, and then temp pointing to the last node, and we identify this is the last node. Okay, we are going to insert a new node into the list. My new node element is 40. New node pointer that we call as an address is 4000. Initially previous node and the next field indicates none. Okay, and then temp of next, we are going to create a link from third node to the fourth node. Okay, in that case temp of next. What is temp of next? Temp of next is 3000. Okay, temp is 3000, 3000 of next is 1000 equal to a new node. Okay, what is a new node? So new node address is nothing but 4000. Okay, here should be changed into new node is 4000. If 4000 means a link is connected from the third node to fourth node successfully. Okay, after that we have to make a link from the new node to the previous node. Okay, because doubly linked list. Alright, how can I able to create it? New node previous, that is new node previous equal to temp. What is temp? Temp is 3000. Okay, here temp pointing to 3000. Alright, automatically here it should be changed into 3000. If changes means, okay, here link is connected from the last node to third node in the list. Could you understand? After that, how can you identify this is the last node? The last node pointing to first node address, first node pointing to last node address. We are going to create like that. Okay, head pointer, that is head of previous. Head of previous is this head of previous equal to new node. Okay, head of previous is nothing but 3000 pointing to the new node. What is new node? New node is 4000. Okay, here 4000. Okay, here also it indicates 4000. Automatically this link is disconnected from the third node. Okay, and it automatically connected to the last node in the list. Understand? And then new node of next equal to head. What is new node? This is new node of next. Okay, this we call as new node of next equal to head. Okay, this node pointing to the first node address. In that case, we have to change it into head pointer. Okay, what is head pointer address? Head pointer address is 1000. Should be changed into 1000. 1000 means this link is disconnected and make a link from the last node to the first node address. Okay, have you understand? So this is the right way we are going to insert a node inserted into circular doubly linked list. Okay, so thank you for watching this.